This is Harry. Harry is a businessman. He is declining in sales, so he is losing income. He wants to raise back his business by promoting it. But he doesn't know how. One day, Harry is looking for kinds of promotions that will fit his business. Until he found whiteboard animation. This is because whiteboard animation could explain business objectively, making business looks more interesting and increasing sales. So that Harry has a higher income. But Harry doesn't know where to order a whiteboard animation. Until Harry opened Fiverr and found Cube Animation. Who makes the best whiteboard animation? Why Cube Animation? Cube Animation has had 3 years of experience in creating whiteboard animation with the best quality and reasonable price. You can get script writing, voiceover, animation, background music, sound effect, full HD video, unlimited revision, and more. Ever since Harry promotes his business with whiteboard animation, his sales have increased, and so is his income. So what are you waiting for? Order now at www.fiverr.com/cube_animation. Your satisfaction is my priority.